Katie, I'm documenting. Just now starting to get some wind. It's Friday night, about 6 o'clock. Dogs are still all outside. Rio says hi. Hi, Rio. Jones and Angel and Bandit. Taylor's following me around. Rascal's following Taylor. Hi, puppies. So, we're getting ready for the storm. Say hi, Aunt Katie. Say hi, Grandma Katie. We love you. We love you. Okay. Going back inside. Probably going to go over to Jackie's tonight. Get my computer fixed up. So, not much exciting yet. Hey, Katie. Here we are at 7 o'clock on Friday night. I don't know if you can see the clouds. We got some pretty good clouds moving in now. I'm about to head over to Jackie's for dinner, and then I'll be back. Gonna take the camera with me. And I'm on the James River Bridge. We've got a bridge lift right now. We got some boats apparently trying to get out. Oh, you're calling me. Hello. I'm videotaping the boats trying to leave to get out of here for you. And you just called me, so now you're going to hear this on the recording of my home movie too. Not sure how well you can see, but we are starting to get some wind. It's about 1 in the morning. Dogs are still going out. The little Jones of mine. Jonesy! He says, I come in now. There's a Bandit. Everybody's coming in. Starting to feel some sprinkles. Going to bed. 7:15 in the morning. Dogs are doing potty break. It is definitely raining more. Raining into my house with the door open. I'll be shutting the door now. So right now it's at 10 o'clock. Got some pretty good wind. Got some rain. Nothing too great. Dogs are outside going to the bathroom again. Rio is not blowing away. The wind is really high. If you look at my bushes, it's not really blowing down here, but it sure is blowing up in the trees. So that's the 10 o'clock update. As Rascal poops. We have our first Hurricane Irene damage in the backyard. Piece of the bush that Michael hates fell down. So I'm sure he is going to be extremely upset that that hasn't made it through the storm. Got a gust of wind coming through right now, causing the trees to pick up, blow. Bandit has decided that perhaps he can go outside now to go to the bathroom. So, still doing alright out back? Katie, I am not going out there. It is crazy rain, crazy wind. Can't really see, because here, let's see if I can open the door. There you go. That's your look at 10 minutes of 12. Everybody's in here. They're all having fun. Jones playing with a squeaky donut. Hi, Jones. Still have TV. Still have electricity right now. Hopefully we keep it for a little bit longer. Let's go check out front. Apparently Angel doesn't think I should be going out front. So now we're out front of the house. You can see the wind blowing across the cars. Getting a pretty good gust right now. So the wind seems to be coming from the back of the house toward the front. I guess that's good based on where I put my grill and my trash cans. So, getting pretty crazy. So, it's about 2:30 on Saturday now. Been without power for about 2 hours. You can see the wind blowing out there. You can see we've gotten rain. Got a nice Lake Johnson out in the backyard and on the patio. Temporarily rain has let up. Gonna let the dogs out to go to the bathroom. Still kind of in one piece around here, it looks like, for now. 2 seconds after the last video I just took, and the wind, look at that tree whipping around. We're still, storm is probably about 80 miles away right now. A big part of it. So, hanging out, trying to stay dry. Gonna dry off the video camera lens. As far as I can tell, we're still looking pretty good out front. Got some wind blowing the trees, that kind of thing. But you can see the rain coming out of the gutter. So right now we've just got a really big rainstorm with some high winds. Got things whipping around. Here's my weirdo dog that thinks it's fun to just go out and, hi Bandit, hi Bubba, hang out in the freaking hurricane. Come on Bandit, come on. No Mom, I'll just take my time. Oh look, he's actually moving fast. What a crazy dog. What a crazy Bandit. Angel, sit. Angel says, hi, I was outside too, that's why I have an afro. Katie, right now, we actually have no rain. Got some seriously blowing trees over there. A couple branches look like they've come off the top down into the neighbor's yard. Same thing on this side. If you look up, see where branches have been torn off. Luckily they're blowing towards the neighbor's house. Let's go take a check out front, as none of the dogs chose to go outside that time. They all decided they would stay in the house where it was probably safer. But like I said, at least right now we have no rain. It's about 5 o'clock. On Saturday, Hurricane Irene's day. Got some branches down in the front yard. Tree next door is down. Let's go over and check on that. Other than that, looks like we're doing all right. Things up the street are pretty calm. This is what a hurricane looks like in the dark. It looks like nothing because you can't see anything. I don't know if you can hear it or not. we're going to bed because we got 1 candle, 2 candles burning in the house. So at 8:30. So it's the morning after. Not anything real exciting back here from what I see. Still got trees on the side of the house. I don't know if you can see in the neighbor's yard. Nothing too exciting over there. You can hear the generator. Apparently the neighbors behind us have one. Dogs have been out this morning. They're much happier. Yard's not really flooded. Trash cans and grill both seem to make it. Although the grill cover blew down right here. But we did not lose the spatula. It's very important. Didn't even know it was under there, so it's even more important. So I guess I'll be having hot dogs or SpaghettiOs on the grill. I still don't have power. Unfortunately, the bush Michael hates is still there. So, yeah, nothing too exciting out back. We're going to head out front, see what we can find out there. We've got the freezer leaking, and Bandit thinks it's whatever it's leaking is really good. Bandit, stop eating that. Heading outside. Get back. We're not leaving yet. Got some limbs, little branches down out here. Some leaves. I'm gonna go see what their yard looks like, because I can't usually see their yard. Oh yeah, they got damage. Big old limb down. All kinds of limbs down in the back. These are the neighbors that don't like my dogs. So they good for not liking my dogs, right? Come out here. Got some branches down next door. Again, nothing really exciting in our yard. Of course, we only have the 1 tree, so it can only be but so exciting. You look up the street, just lots of leaves and stuff like that down, from what I can tell out here. And there's the big tree down. Whole lot better today, since it's not raining when I'm out here. Neighbors across the street got limbs down. I realize that nor rain, nor sleet, nor dark of night, nor hurricane, the mail must go through, but seriously, it's soaked. It is absolutely saturated, because when they put it in my mailbox, they opened the back door. And so I'm not really sure what all these bills are. Got something, Old Point, Taylor's Dog Show entries from MBF. All kinds of fun stuff. So it's going to take it about 5 years for this thing to thaw out. Just not cool, post office. You should have just waited till today. Nothing was so important I needed it yesterday. But this whole soaking wet mail thing, ridiculous.